Hi, this is Kavya Bharati, UX UI mentor from WebD School. Today we are diving into Framer, one of the most powerful tool for creating modern interactive website without writing a single code. So without any delay, let's get started with Framer. This is Framer interface. If you want to browse the existing file, you can see the existing file here, or if you want to open the new projects, click here, you will get the new project file here. So yes, so it is getting loaded. So this is the Framer interface when you open the new projects. So this is the new file in Framer. If you want to change its file name, you can click here and change its file name. So this is the layer panels and pages and whatever the pages you have been creating, it will be listed here. And this is the layer panel and assets panel. You can browse lot of templates here. And then this is the properties panel. Actually this is the tool tip. So if you are new to Framer, it will be like showing the all the tips and to get familiar with this tool. And yes, here you can see this icon, right? Framer, it resembles the Framer icon. If you click that, you will get the menu bar actually. So file, edit, view. So those are the menus which help you to browse some features in this Framer. If you want to create a new file, or you can just click here or give Ctrl Alt N. If you want to create a new page, so as we are going to create a website, we can create a no code website in this Framer. If you want to create a new page, you can just click here and all other tools are listed here. So first thing is like, let's start it with this artboard. You can see, so the artboard is again it is like Figma, it is like infinite artboard, like you can create thousands plus frames here. So moreover, Framer is used until now, they are using it for creating a website. So like mostly they'll use only desktop size. So here in this you can see like a plus symbol, right? So what is this? Like this is called as breakpoints. So if you were creating a website which is in desktop size, if you want to create, say create it as a responsive website, so the same website should be displayed in tab size and also should be displayed in mobile phone size. So for that, Framer has given a wonderful feature called breakpoints. If you click this, so if I click tablet mode, the same size will be changed into tablet mode, and then if you click to phone, it will again, this is what the responsive screen is. So say for example, if I am creating a rectangle, I am just creating a rectangle here, a shape, you can see all these three interface I have just like the rectangle is drawn. If I play here, so if I reduce this, it will get automatically skewed according to the frame I am just adjusting. So this is what this responsive screen is, which is very much easy in Framer. Okay, so let's explore these options here. So first thing is inserts. So what is inside this inserts? So you can see, the lot of presets available in this Framer. So okay, first let's get started with this tools in this menu bar. So first thing is inserts. So what inside in this inserts? You can see lot of presets available here. If you are creating a website, there is not compulsory you need to create it from scratch. You need to create a navigation bar and then you need to create a hero section, those things and all. So like to help you to create a website seamlessly, there are a lot of sections available here. So if I click this section, you can see even it is available in light and dark mode. If you are creating a dark mode, it will be like displaying it in dark mode. It is in light mode, it will be displaying it in light mode. Say for example, if I am adding a section like pricing section, so if I click this, it will be like automatically it will get it is like drag and drop only. If you click this, it will reflect here. So there will be lot of preset sections available here. Whatever you want, you can just click it and then you can just add it to this frame. If you want to change its position and all, or change its if you want to change this, you can just click and drag this and change its positions like this. Or if you don't want, you can just click delete or undo option, it will get deleted. And then the navigation bar again. So the navigation bar is very important in website, right? So it is also available in Framer, so you can just drag and drop it. So if I want to add the header section, say for example the header section is like I just want to add features, gallery, blog, like that. So if I click this, it will get added. You can see the nav bar is here. So if you want the nav bar should be displayed in this top, you can just drag this and you can position in this top bar. So the nav bar is got placed. So and you can see it is already in component. So if I double click that, the component is got open. So welcome to component, you will get this pop-up. So when you double click a component, you will get navigated into the component as it is in Figma. So in Figma, if you want to make a element as a component, you need to take out of the frame and then you need to click like select a component and you will get the element changed into component. So same in Framer, if you create a component. So this is like what if this nav bar, when it is displayed in desktop, it will be like this, and then if it is in this tablet mode, it will be like this, and when it is opened in phone mode, when it will like this. So this is what the component is. So if you want to go back to this home page, just click this, you will navigate it into home page. So if I play, and you can see it will getting this is what the responsiveness is, and this is what the responsive screen is. So which is very much easy in Framer. So the basics of sections are listed here. So next is CMS. So what is CMS? So CMS is content management system. So if you are designing a website, it is compulsory, like it is very much important to have give importance to content you are displaying in your website. So for that there are a lot of options available here. Like if you have a lot of blog, say for example, if you are deciding to design a educational website, obviously you had lot of inspirations. You can just all add those inspiration, like you can import some blogs to manage a content. You can just copy paste content from this section actually. And next is elements. So elements is like you can see icons, medias, forms, interactive, social, utility, creative, all those elements presets are available here. Say for example, if I want to add an icon, so like even you have a quick actions, which is like you can search plugins and then you can add some icons and all. But for like in this element options, there are presets of icons here. Say for example, if I want to add some icons here, I'm just opening this phosphorus icon. So here is the icon and I'm just adding this icon to this page. If I want to change this icon, so you can see it is like if you click this, there are a lot of swapping options is available here. So if just one click, you can swap lot of icon. So like this, so the icon will get added to this like in your frame. And next is like media. If you want to add carousels, like in media, so you can see lot of options, which is images. If you want to add images, GIF, videos and animations, audios, all these options are available here. So firstly, if you want to get familiar with this tool, try to work on all these presets first, and then only you can just create your design by your own style. So first thing is like you need to work with all these presets available here. So if you want to add image, so I'm just clicking it, I'm just drag and dropping this image. So if you want this image to be filled with this frame, so I'm just changing this, like in this properties panel you can see position. So position in it is like relative. So in what I'm just doing is like width. So I'm just giving it as filled. So same the concept which we have studied in Figma, which is an auto layout concept. So I want this width to be filled with this container. So if you want to import this, just double tap it. You can see the dialog box has got open. So by choosing this, you can add some image. So I'm adding this image. So you can see the image is got added here. So you can just adjust its position. So if you want a focal point left or right or center like this, you can arrange it and then you can just position it. So next is in media, GIF again. So if you can like same process, you can add GIF image also, and then videos and then animations audio, same process. If you want this, you can click this and add this. And next thing is, so coming to this form. So forms is like obviously when you are designing a website, if you want to collect some informations or if you want to collect some leads, you are supposed to use forms, right? So for that, here there are a lot of options. MailChimp. If I click this MailChimp, you can see the MailChimp is getting added. So you can just add here and then you can collect lot of leads from this presets options. So forms options is also available here. And then again coming to this interactive, so which is something like prototype. So we know what is prototype is, right? That is like creating an animations. So here animations also presets here. Say for example, if I want to create a slideshow here, so I'm just drag and dropping this slideshow. So again fill, so I'm just giving width as a fill and I'm giving height as around 375. So I want here a lot of images to be like a carousel manner. So for that I'm creating this, and then so width is like 1 frame. I'm selecting F. So I'm clicking this F, which is frame. The frame is got selected. I'm clicking and dragging 1 frame here. And then I'm just clicking insert, going to media image. So I am adding this image to this frame. So if I double tap it, I can add images. So next is I'm holding Alt and then dragging it, it is getting copied, and then I'm changing the image. So this is the focal point. So if this should be your viewpoint, you can just drag this and keep your viewpoint and just click apply. It will be like it will got something like crop, same as crop. And then again I'm duplicating it and then this add this image, it will get added. Okay, now what I'm supposed to do is, so I'm just clicking it, I'm just connecting this to this images. So now I am simply giving play option. You can see it is automatically getting carousel like animation. So this is what this carousel means. So these are the interactive presets available in this framework. Same slideshow, carousel, stickers, all these options are prototyping options. Next is social. So social is nothing but if you want to add in Instagram, Facebooks, and if you want to add maps and all, those sections can be taken from here. And this is utility, which is nothing but like small CTAs, logos, something like if you want to copy this, if you want to add a download asset, so those kind of things can be added here. So again next, this is what creative is, like where you can add some like grid or time, those kind of things. These are the presets which is available in this insert options. Next we are moving into this layout options. So layout option is nothing but, so I'm just deleting all those things. Next, layout option. So here itself you can import, if you want to import some image, here itself you can click it. And frame is nothing but shape. If you want to create a shape, so here in like framer, if you want to create a rectangle or shape, means you are supposed to use frame only. So by clicking F, and if you click and drag, the shape is getting drawn. You can see like by clicking this F, each and every shape is like same as rectangle, but in framer we'll call this as a frame. And rows and columns is nothing but a grid. So if I draw this, you can see all this like will be arranged in rows, and if it is column, if I click and draw column, it will arranged in this column. So this is same as it is in grid, which we studied in Figma. And next is text. So if you want, simply if you want to add some text, welcome to Framer. So if you want to increase its size means here you have those properties. So size, you can increase the size and you can increase the pixels into fit or something like that, and then alignment options, all these properties panels or like all these text properties is available in this properties panel. Next is vector. So if you want to create a shape, so here this is frame. The frame and shapes are literally same, which has nothing big much difference. So if you want to create, like, either you can create a rectangle or you can create a frame. So if it is frame, just click it and just draw a rectangle. The shape is getting drawn here. So same as oval, polygonal, path. So path is nothing but pen tool. So pen tool is also available in Framer. You can create a shape. And the next thing is again content management system. So if you have copied some content from, if I click this collections, you can add a new item here. So example, as I said, if it is in reference, if say for example I'm just clicking this WebD School website, so I'm copying this URL and then I'm pasting it here. So like this it'll get added. So once, like, if I save, it will get added. I can just go here and then I copy the content and then I'll get pasted into my website I'm creating. So this is what those menu bars holds. And then pages, here coming to pages, this is home page. If I want to add some extra pages, I'm just clicking this new page. So new page is getting added like this. So you can just interact with this page by giving connections. So we'll see that next. And again, this is layer panel. As we all know, layer panel is to maintain the hierarchy and maintain all those layers in a proper way. And assets, again, what are the components available here? It will be displayed in this assets. Okay. Next we are moving into, I'm taking this shape. Next we are moving into this properties panel. So here in properties panel, this is alignment options. So if you want to align this shape, so center align, left align, right align. So these are the alignment options. And then here, this is what the pathfinder is. If you want to create this shape as a single shape, union, subtract, intersect, all those options will be available here. And next is position, and then this is size, height and width. And here styles. So if you want to change its appearance, you can go and change its opacity, visibility, and then its radius. All those things will be available here. So this is the property. So the next thing is, if I click this frame, you can see the breakpoints, layouts, typography, cursor, all those options available here. So is typography. So same, if you want to just click here and you can see the typography's properties. And then effects is like adding here presets, crossfade, how it should be. Like effect is like, say for example, if I have drawn one shape here, how it want to appear. So I'm adding it. Hover, pressed, loop, drag, scroll animations, all those are effects. I'm just giving up here. Fade in or fade in, I'm just giving fade in. If I play this, it will be like you can see. So for 1 minute it is getting fade in, right? So those kind of effects can be added here. So that is what in this effects panel. And then cursor is like web cursor, so how it should be appear. So those things also can be customized here. And then styles is like frames, opacities, border radius, all those things are available here. This is what the basic properties are. So you need to know while you are getting started with Framer. And here in this top menu bar, you can see this is like your account and this is your your localization. So where are you from? You were from which country you were? So that the thing. And next is, this is page setting option. So if you are after publishing your page, you need to make sure all the page has the same page name and then URL, those kind of stuffs can be seen here. And this is analytics. So analytics is how much reach your page has. So visitors and all those things can be just guided here, all those things can be monitored here. And then this is play option and this is invite option. Okay, so this is publish. So once your design got finished, you can just give publish, website got published, and then you can just buy your own domain. If you want to add your own domain, you can just create it, like you can click it and then you can create your own domain. So this is what actually we have created. We have designed nothing here, right? So that is what it is displaying like that. So you can just see the customized domain. You can here you can just customize it, and then if you want to connect it with any other domain, or if you want you want to upgrade, actually if you want a customizable domain, you need to do an upgrade, or else you can just maintain these domain itself. And then sites option, so redirections, URL, all those stuffs will be available here. So these are the monetization, and these are the actual plans. This is what if you want a customizable, those kind of premium plans will be available here. And this is the general site options. Another important thing is Framer has lot of preset websites templates. So Framer templates, if you go and browse as Framer templates, you can see this is Framer template websites. You can get lot of free templates. If I click this, use it for free, it will get copied into your Framer account. Okay, so you can see, so automatically, like this is a website, so you can go and customize it actually. So if you want to change its name, I am changing it as welcome to Framer. So you can see automatically, responsively, it will getting changed into all these 3 breakpoints, and you can just view and see here. If you play this, you can see how responsive the screen is. So this is very easy to create a website than any other tools. Yes, that's Framer. So we just walked through its interface. I hope now you are ready to get started with the tool. See you in next video. Thank you.